my dear students of class 11, whoever watching my video, may be the students of our school or from any other school. At first, a very heartiest congratulations to everybody for getting good scores in the class 10 board examination. Whoever has decided to take biology as a subject in class 11 and 12, for them this is the first activity that I am going to demonstrate in the lab. Now these days you cannot go to your school. So to create an environment that you are within the campus and doing the activity, I have just captured few glimpses of the school building to make you feel that you are within the school campus and doing the activity. So without spoiling much time, just let's start doing the activity. My dear children of class 11, those who have taken biology, for them I am starting the first introductory practical activity today. So you have to perform various activities this year. The first activity that you have to perform is to study about various type of organisms through prepared slide or models. So here this topic is entirely from chapter 2, classification of organisms or biological classification. Here you have to study the morphological features of few organisms through slide or models or specimens. So first of all, you have the first slide, that is the bacterial slide. So you have to study the bacterial slide. So there are already prepared slide in our lab that I will view under the microscope, and I will make a video and or a clip of the photographic film that you can see and understand the various morphological features. Now as you know that bacteria, this is from the Monera kingdom, and it has some salient features. You have already learned it. So you need to study those morphological features of this kingdom and spot out which type of bacteria that you are viewing under the microscope. So let's start with the activity. So here children, I am trying to fix the slides under the microscope. The first slide I am going to fix for you is the slide of a bacteria. Yes, this is a slide of a bacteria. I am going to fix under the microscope, and once I find and fix the specimen, I will show you. So you can see, you see, yes, these are the cocci, okay. So can you see, this is the rhizopus or bread mold. You can find it a bit shaky because my hand is shaking. It's very difficult to show you in this way, but still I'm trying. This is the fungal hypae. Can you see? Children, I tried to fix it. This is the bread mold from the kingdom fungi. The class is Zygomycetes. You can see the general characteristics is that it is generally called bread mold that grows on stale bread. Now this shows a form of interwoven mass of fine thread-like structure which is called hypa, or hypae is the plural. The hypae or the mycelium are tubular. You can see here they are aseptate and multinucleated. Obviously it is not a so much of magnification is not here. Now you can see the rhizoidal hypae, isn't it? The hypae that grows down into the substratum. So you can see here it is Spirogyra. The kingdom is Plantae. The division is Chlorophyta. It is a green algae. You can see it is green in color. It is often called water silk or pond silk or pond scum because of the silky and slippy touch. Now you can see the structure. What is this structure? Just find out. Okay, find out and tell what is this structure. Yes, one very important point is that the filament that you can see here contains cylindrical cells that are placed one above the other in a single row. Very important point is the cell wall you see in the Spirogyra is double layered, made up of cellulose and pectin. Now this type of organisms, they occur in the stagnant fresh water like ditches, ponds, etc. Students, I don't have a slide or a specimen to show lichen, so I am showing you this live lichen that I found in my neighborhood in one of the coconut trees growing. You can see this is the patch growing on the epidermal layer of the coconut tree. This is a lichen. I think you are more lucky enough to see a live specimen of a lichen. rather than seeing it in the laboratory, isn't it? So just watch it, see, and just compare with the theoretical part that I have discussed in the previous video that I mentioned about the various type of lichens. So children, this was all about today's video. The next day I will show you some other slides of yeast. I will show you moss. I will discuss about fern, pinus, monocotyledon, dicotyledon, each from one type of plant. You will also study about the liver root. So these are left. Even if I get a live specimen of a mushroom, that also I will try to show you. So this was all about today's video. Hope you understood how to perform activity. You have already done in class 10, but this time you have more vast syllabus for your practicals. So keep watching the next upcoming video for the next activity.